Good afternoon, my dear children. Hope you all are doing well at home. I welcome you all to the moral science class. Did everyone watch yesterday's video? The moral of the story told in this lesson is what was included in yesterday's video. In today's class, we'll go through the textbook. So all of you open your moral science textbook. Let's read. Chapter 1, God's plan about me. God has created everything in this world. God has a plan for each one of us. We should know about God's plan and work hard to fulfill His plan. He knows to give us what is best in this world. Everything that happens to us is because God has allowed it to happen in our life. Let's understand the meaning of the first paragraph. God has created everything in this world. All living things and non-living things on earth were created by the grace of God. God has a plan for each one of us. God has a plan for who we are in life. We should know about God's plan. We must understand God's plan and we should try to achieve His plan. He knows to give us what is best in this world. Right now, everything that happens in our lives is God's decision. He knows what to give us. So, He will give you the best in this world. Everything that happens to us is because of God. He has allowed it to happen in our life. Second paragraph. Once there was a man who had great faith in God. His name was Ramu. He accepted all the things that happened in his life as God's plan. He surrendered his life to the will of God. If anything happened in his life, he used to say that it's God's will. It is God's will. Once there was a man who had great faith in God. That means he was a terrible believer in God, great believer in God. His name was Ramu. He accepted all the things that happened in his life as God's plan. He believed that whatever happened in his life was God's decision. He dedicated his life to the will of God. He surrendered his life to the will of God. If anything happened in his life, he used to say that it is God's will. Clear? One day, he fell down from his horse and broke his legs. One day, Ramu fell down from his horse. He got a leg injury. When his friends asked about it, he said that it was God's will. By hearing his words, by hearing his answer, his friends laughed and left him. One day, Ramu fell down from his horse and he got a leg injury. He suffered a leg injury. When his friends came to see Ramu, he said that it was God's will. All the friends were laughing when they heard Ramu's answer and they went off. After a few days, their country had to face a big war. The army was not sufficient to fight against the enemies. So the king asked all the young people to come forward and join the army for the safety of the country. A few days later, the people of Ramu's country faced a big war. The country did not have the manpower to fight against their enemies. So the king asked all the young people like Ramu to come forward and join to the army to save the country from enemies. All the young people were called to join the army except Ramu. The king allowed him to take rest. The king won the war. But Ramu's friends were all killed by the enemies. Ramu was very sad about this news. But he accepted everything as God's plan. He thought to himself, if my legs were not broken, I would have lost my life. Once again, all the young people were called. All the young people in that country were asked to join to the army, except Ramu. Why Ramu did not join to the army? The king allowed him to take rest because his legs got injured. The king won the war. Who won the war? The king won the war. But Ramu's friends were all killed by the enemies. Ramu was very sad about this news. But he accepted everything as God's plan. He thought to himself, if my legs were not broken, what will happen? I would also have lost my life. We should accept everything in our life as God's plan. He is the one who created us and He knows what to give us. How can you find how God designed your life? We can find the answer by talking to God through prayers and faith. Ask Him about His plan for you and listen to Him. No matter what happens in our life, we must not give up. We must move forward thinking that it is God's decision. Do you all pray to God? Yes, we all love to pray to God. We can talk to God through our prayers and faith. Believe that all the things has happened to our life is watched by God. Children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, children like you are gift of God. God sees everything we do. He has a plan on each of us. You should see everyone like our parents, teachers and all elders like God. Thank you.